Right then. Let's see what the hell we can do. So EU's just come taking that level there. I'm guessing this is the invalid zone, or it could be like it could be this actually. Yeah. Let's see what the hell happens with that. Does make sense that price may come up here. So price could continue to go higher. The next level would be London High. Yeah.
Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
I'm going to set an alert on the failure of 37. So let's just say what, 47? Set an alert on that. And then on here, we set an alert on the touch of this zone here. So say 106. 0.3 into that level, and then we'll know if obviously pound or euros is deviating or whatever you want to call it. So for now we can just kind of wait and see what happens, then we'll know what to do after. Okay, it took that low. Fine. We're 20 pips away from there, 25 from. Okay, that's fine. Just gonna drag this over in case. For tomorrow mainly. Okay, there you go. Suppose we could stick a thingy in here. 30. Do half 8 on that. There's a likelihood price could come for that. Don't know what the edge finder readings are for USD CAD, so we kind of need to figure that one out. 9. Perfect. So we'll set an alert on 38.48. Set an alert. Then you know what? I'll set an alert as well, yeah? First exit. That actually holds. So 27. So we'll do what? 24. 4. Either we know it's gonna go lower or we know it's gonna ultimately go higher. 7. We'll do 0.4 on this as well. I'm just not missing anything, you know. But looking at price action, midline here got taken, price moved up, took that level, price moved up. We had lovely bullish reaction here, but then we took Asia high and kind of that structural zone right here, and started to first leg, second leg, but the wicks were dangerous on there, so price has officially come, took that level or took that high even. And now it's going to be interesting. Is it going to push down or go higher? I think it's going to continue to go higher. If you're following direction so far, then yeah, it would continue to go higher. And with pound, yeah, got a bunch of lows sat here. I wouldn't mind if price comes up, takes this high, and then starts to move down. It's going to take all these lows into Asia midline. Into Asia midline here. Cents. Euro USD. We've obviously got one M15 might be. We'll take it from here. The price might move away from here now, to be fair. To Wednesday, and then we can reassess our FOMC, because we got FOMC press conference, etc. Reassess it then. It's interesting to me because we got a bunch of highs here. So gold opened up, did a pretty fat move up. So gold coming up to Wednesday. Got London high there. I think dollar is going to continue going stronger. So I would say Asia midline coming in, literally in that level. I'd be better on him. No, not on him. Yeah, kind of there. Better. But silver is safe. Alright, perfect. Silver took the high by how much? Oh, minuscule amount, to be honest. Also come into midline level. Got German IFOs at 8 o'clock. That's a big drop, that is. And it's just come and taken all of these lows out as well. Now we need to be careful. Is it just taking these lows out to absorb and move further down or not? Because that's also technically break and retest. So we're breaking, we're coming for the retest, and then we're going to drop. Or we're going to come back and take that level out and then drop. Or is this just building? Or is this just coming higher for this invalid zone? I'm not sure. Not sure at all. I've got to wait and see still. Hey, Will FX is live on YouTube. Good for you, son. Good for you. That zone's officially failed. Looks like USD CAD wants to keep going. Now, is Euro gonna come into this zone and hold it or not? This is the question, if it's going to or not. Gold and silver haven't really fell yet, they're just kind of sat in that level. Key area. The EU tag that zone starting to move down. This is the first minute of London Open. Pound also rejected off of that trend line level too. Took all these lows out as well. That looks like a lovely zone for buys later on, but I just don't want to get into anything like that. USD GBPUSD was falling off of that level. Gold and silver are pushing up. Suppose technically took these highs. USD CAD didn't do anything significant. It was a bit clearer on GU that it took those highs in the minute open, then next 2 minutes is starting to drop, but keep waiting. Even this M5 zone failed. Ah. Interesting. Doesn't make sense. Tag that high, all these low to get taken. So yeah, the volume was good and everything, but I was hoping that it'd be Frankfurt leaving a high to come take this low, move higher, but no, it's just taking the highs to move lower, which is fine. There's no entry anyway. Let's see how big the SL would have been. Yeah, not so bad, I suppose. 6 pips. And that would have left us at around 15 or any 2.5 exactly. About 3. It's not bad, I guess. Not so bad as. On your, if you'd have taken it from here, I don't know if that tagged on 72, right? 72. Yeah. Please take it out. Wouldn't have taken that at all. Would have been risky to take it on G as well. Gold is still going higher. USD CAD still not doing much. I don't like EU right now because it's starting to chop and stuff. You could say it's taken out the invalid zone, first leg, second leg. Like this zone, nah, I don't like the look of this at all. On GU, first leg, second leg, no pullback for the entry. And then it come down, took this low here off of the midline. And we had good volume come there, slower contraction. Could this be going long? Don't know yet. And gold's took out that level, hasn't it? I think. Yeah, it has. It has. I can see that. I was really hoping we are going to start to see a shift to the downside, but it just carried on going. Yeah. I was hoping it would oh, Yen took a dump. Well, GJ did anyway. It's a beautiful 40 something pip move, man. If London opens like what, 25 pips? 30 pips? Yeah, that's lovely. But there's no entry whatsoever. Unless you go over here, then yeah, sure, there was actually. That's mad move, man. Yeah. What about UJ? Yeah. Similar. That move. It's a 10 pip. Holy moly, that's got some volume on it, ain't it? What's that?
Voice news disconnected.
Oh, so it's working then. The yen's doing a bit of a funny one, man.
حرف سه روز
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Euro is now starting to move down. USD CAD still not doing nothing. Gold trickling down. Well, that's silver actually. Because you took that high. Oh shit. I don't like to look at that yet. No. No, don't like to look at that. So from 730 to the low, it was a 26 pip move on UJ. But from 730 on GJ, it says 50 pips. It's almost double the. It is double actually, you know, yeah, 25 and 60, 50, yeah. Wow. Interesting. Let's see what's going on Steam, man. See if there's any good games. Nothing good so far. It's got demo available. Oh, that's cool. Call of Duty got another update. God damn it, how many updates, man? Oh, that was quick. That was quick. Okay, yeah, it wasn't really an update then, was it? Let's see what games we. Let me zoom in on the chart so I can at least see it. Otherwise I can't see anything. See that? I see that on this screen, wicked. Battle for your red set, Marvel Rivals, Final Fantasy, Team Controller Night, the rest. The Hunter, Call of Al World. Supposed to be like Pokemon. He has very Pokemon-esque vibes. Oh wow, it's had very good reviews. You know what, I'll add that to the list, innit? Seems very Pokemon, which is nostalgic. I like nostalgia. Let's look at the reviews of the thing. Wanna rub the... Was that a new Destiny game? When I was Destiny 2, wasn't it? Looks like euro is dipping. I don't like this at all, to be honest. Disgusting PA. Ah.
Eurozone money M3 annual growth 3.3%, 3.3% as expected. German IFO business climate 86.6, 86.6, final forecast 86. Eurozone loans to non-financial firms 4%, 4%, loans to household 3%, 3%. German IFO current conditions 86.5, 86.5, lower than forecast 87.3. Expectations 86.7, 86.7, higher than forecast 84.8. The 30 gig download about an hour. That's fine.
Zambezi Mac, what are you saying, bro? What are you saying, my brother? How are you, my brother? I just downloaded the new games. Got it. That's done now. And I can focus back on the charts again. Right, so chart wise, yeah, I mean, I wanted to kind of go long on EU in the hopes that it's going to go long, and then I seen this happen and I was like, oh, shorts might be the way, but there was no clean price action, bro. I don't like it when it's like slow, choppy and drippy. That's not the way I like to trade, innit? I like it when you get like explosive volatile moves and stuff. So because that wasn't happening, didn't take the trade, obviously. I'm just kind of waiting for something clean. USD CAD, I wanted to go short ideally. Gold, I wanted to go short as well. Didn't like the volume on there. It's just very, it started to come in a bit later, but yeah, it wasn't really ideal. Silver, oh, silver looks all right. That's not bad at all. See if New York can provide anything for gold and silver, I reckon. Because we had the whole war thing going on, and then we had the whole peace treaty going on, so it'd be interesting to see what's next with that. On M5 it looks good, silver does. It looks good on M5, and gold looks But yeah, once again, I follow structure, so because there wasn't much structure, it's kind of a drip feed type thing. It's not really ideal. Same with gold, it's kind of a drip feed sort of situation, which I don't really like. So yeah. USD cards finally come down. I'm just looking now to see what's gonna happen. Discord. Neville sent the edge finder readings. So GJ bullish, ADN bullish, NZDM bullish, GU bullish, China. Don't care about China. There's nothing bearish except Euro, NZD and Nikkei. I don't like the look of that. Even silver's getting a bullish reading. I don't like the look of the edge finder. Not keen on how the data's looking. So yeah, so if you look at this, price come, took the high, moved down, from here, took the high, well, internal lower high, moved down. Then we got all these lows here. Still kind of in a range for me. I'm not sure on the direction. It could do literally another leg down, or this could just be a faker and it could just come straight back into the zone and keep consolidating. So I'm uncertain as to what to do yet. I need to kind of keep waiting and see something that gives me some sense of like confidence or something. So nothing on USD CAD yet. Gold, silver just kind of drip fed all the way down, so I can't do nothing with that anyway. As I said, like what am I gonna do with that? Literally, like I don't even know. What else have we got? Might as well sit on M15 then for that. And then obviously GJ was lovely. It did a nice 50-60 pip drop, 52 pip drop. That was lovely. 7 o'clock is here. I started the stream exactly 1 hour 30 minutes ago. About 7:40 I started the stream about here. So there's no way for me to get short. And to be honest, I would want to go long. But honestly, I'm not trading yen at the moment. I just don't want to get chopped by a yen intervention because I've been there 3 times now. 3 times, Mac. I've been on yen move and I've been slapped by mention of intervention or an intervention or excessive volume because of the whole situation. So I'm just not doing that again. I don't want to get slapped again. For the God knows how many time. And use the GBPJPY. They come off of the midline around here and dipped all the way down. Didn't really take any low out. I don't think that's significant anyway. Yeah, it didn't really do anything significant, so that's just a no from me. Most likely keep an eye on gold. It is, but you got the hikes coming, innit? We got the hikes coming anyway. Well, we got the FOMC this week, Wednesday. Because if you look at yen, yeah, we were like go to 16 minutes in it, or the third, 4 hour. We had the intervention happen here at 162, 163, 162.5. We had the intervention happen here at 160.7, and then I don't know what's going on here. Like the yen has to intervene at some point, because if UJ is too weak, bro, that's gonna cook their economy, man. They're gonna get nothing for their sales of cars. They're gonna get nothing for their exports. They're gonna literally, like, they need to do some sort of move here. But I heard that they were Secretary Besant, or whoever it is, the finance minister or whatever, he spoke to Japan, but I don't know what was said. So I don't know if they were gonna have some sort of agreement or something, which is why they haven't done an intervention. That would make total sense. That would make a lot of sense. All I know is that they had a meeting, and I don't know what come from that meeting. I can't really say too much. I think it's Secretary Besant. I think he's on who's the Minister of Finance, I think. So whoever the Ministry of Finance is, the Minister of Finance even, I think it's Besant. So yeah, I mean, I don't really want to go short. I don't really want to go long, because I don't want to get slapped on any possibility, because obviously when the yen does a move, they're going to do it when the dollar's at its weakest. There's some news. Iran's getting a bit frustrated about Israeli military claims to have shot down 2 drones near the border with Jordan. Unclear whose drones were launched. Too much war stuff. Too much bloody war stuff going on. What was I gonna say? Okay, yeah, so this week we've got Wednesday FOMC, yeah? Wednesday. And then we've got the press conference. This is gonna be the second one since Walsh has took his position. And then obviously on Thursday we got UK bank decision. That's gonna be an important one because last week we had Euro, so obviously that's interesting. And then on Friday or Thursday evening and then Friday morning we got Bank of Japan. So if they be quite dovish on the dollar, that would be a good chance for Bank of Japan to hike when everyone's expecting a hold. Because remember, it's a shock factor, isn't it? If everyone's expecting Bank of Japan to hold, yeah, but FOMC comes out slightly dovish, meaning we see weakness in the dollar, and then Bank of Japan literally comes out and says we're going to do a hike, we've done a hike, boom, we're going to get a fat move on yen. You're talking easy 150 pip move comfortably, and then that shock's going to affect the market for at least 3, 4, 5 days, you know, for a few days, for people to then reposition themselves and stuff like that. In my opinion, I think they won't do anything until Friday when we find out what's happened on Wednesday with FOMC. If it comes out weak for a dollar, I expect them doing a hike. Then I expect them to also do maybe an intervention. Maybe, depending on where the value of UJ lands after a couple of days. That's my guess on it anyway. Anyway, Mac, how you been? How's your trading been? What's the story? It's been a bit slow, yeah, it has for quite a few people. Yes, I had some up and some down. Welcome to trading, my brother. Some up, some down.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Hello, Sahad. Hello. I just downloaded a new game on Steam. Hello. You know, Alan misses you, you know, Sahad. He asks me all the time, well, how's Sahad? How's he doing? He loves you, low-key.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
He's got a soft spot for you, Sahad. He's got a soft spot for you. It might be in his pants. But yeah, Mac, trading's like that at the moment, bro. It is a bit up and a bit down and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, there's really not much going on, is there? I wanted to go long, then seen shorts are valid, but then there's no clean entry and stuff like that, so nope, nothing from me. But yeah, Mac, you just gotta be patient with these markets. They're a bit crappy because of Trump. Unless you trade like certain assets or certain markets, like it's a bit crappy at the moment. If I didn't have all these bloody platform accounts and stuff like that, I would have just gone to futures, bro. Because it seems like everyone is having success on futures. How many pips is that? Oh, 40 pips. Yep, that's going over to the next. Then that is 30. That's going over 2. That can stay there. There's literally nothing for me to do here. I'll stick on stream for about 10-15 more minutes with you guys to chill, but I'm done. Like, I don't see any opportunities right now. Euro USD shorts, okay, yes, I can see it, but I was hoping that this was going to be an invalid zone. Price will come down, take this low, then move higher. I could have just shorted down to this low, but I'm still following the A+ setups only. In September, when I have the more flexible approach, then I wouldn't mind considering taking shorts back down to this level if there's an entry available, and then just kind of seeing what happens, then going long after or something like that. But I'm only going to do that sort of stuff after August, September time, so then I can get another 1 year track record on more of a flexible approach, because obviously the sell limits and buy limits aren't working because price is not doing retracements and stuff like that. It's just kind of running away. Perfect example is here on EU, and then also here on GU. Just perfect examples of price not wanting to pull back, but just kind of running off and not really allowing any sort of entry. So yeah, I think it's gonna be good to have that flexible approach because I've built enough experience now anyway. Like, okay, so if you were to do first leg, second leg, yes, it tagged here. It did tag here. Did it break structure efficiently? Yes, that's valid. So actually Euro did give a clean entry. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, fifth leg. But yeah, there's nothing on here. There was, that would have got swerved because it 2-3 pippets spread. It would have got swerved on GU. Let's look on M5 as well. Was there any invalidation on that level? Yeah, I think there was. Let me have a look. It'd be easy to draw a line out, wouldn't it, and then go across. Yeah. And yeah, that was valid actually. Yeah, that was valid on Euro USD, to be honest. I still wanted the longs though. I wanted to see dollar weakness, but no, it didn't want to do that, which is fine. So it is what it is. I'm in Euro shorts for the gap fill. Yeah. That doesn't work all the time, which is why I don't really try and do gap fills and stuff like that person. Yeah, man, that's good. playing COD over the weekend because Mustaqim messaged me. But I think I was outside the house. I wasn't home. I thought so, yeah. I wasn't even at home then. Let's have a look at oil is down 7%, 6%. I think it's gonna go back up again, honestly. The war's not gonna end anytime soon. I think the market knows that, and so does everyone. As I close everything down. Will was streaming as well today. He didn't catch no trade either. I don't really see what to do now. Got anything you want to talk about for about 5-10 minutes or not? That's alright, Mark, no problem, bro. I'm cutting down my time on Steam because markets are shit anyway at the moment, so I'm not really on Steam as much because like it's just a bit crappy at the moment, isn't it? There's not much I can do. So I just kind of like chill for a bit and then I'm like, alright, peace out type thing. Until the market gets better anyway, because when the market does get better, I start giving trades, my streams will be longer because I should be in trades then. That's a nice drink, man. Lemon, honey. ਹੁਣ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸੀ प्रॉब्लम सी पिछली एक दो जा रही है सही नहीं सी काम करना है ने फिर तू सही वाईफाई फिर ऑब्वियसली बंद हो गया वो फिर नहीं सी काम कर फिर मैं उन लाइक दबाया सी ते फिर दो तरह और दबना पैने फिर लाइक सही कनेक्ट हुआ था उन ली गए ने सम टाइम ऐसा तरह नहीं जले क्या पता जा रोटा पर इंटरनेट कुछ काम करने नहीं कुछ फिर उठे ऑब्वियसली नहीं ना सही काम करना फिर cuz yesterday शामी टाइम एक दो दारे पहले बस आधा घंटा से कम ही नहीं सी करना अच्छा सी 1 मिनट से फिर बस होना सी 2-3-5 मिनट से फिर मैं भूल गया सा अनप्लग कीता सी फिर वापस प्लग कीता सी और क्या बंदा क्रीच हो रहा है मिस्टी टेन आउट जाके ना फिर मैं सी रन देता सी फिर ऑब्वियसली ठीक हो गया सी थोड़ी देर ने बाद ने दो बंद करो Yeah, I can't really think of anything to be honest, man, trading wise anyway. I'll give you another 5 minutes if you got questions. If you haven't, then I'll bounce after that anyway, innit? But hit like anyway. Now's the best time to ask me questions now that it's quiet and I'm not busy. I'm just going back to the live stream early to figure out what was I thinking by not going long. By going, I had the invalid zone there. And then this is the sick thing about live streams, you can go back and just see what you did and why you did what you did. Oh yeah, I had short there. I literally had it right there marked out with the pencil. Yep, okay, why didn't I take it? Or because the London Open right there, maybe? I don't know. Oh, because GU took all those lows and then it moved up. Yes. I already did. What do you mean, Max? Sorry. I missed that. My bad. What do you say, bro? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay. Yeah. I didn't take it from that level because there's the invalid zone there. Price tagged the invalid zone, and then London Open come, then it tagged the supply zone, and it actually held and dropped. So that makes sense why I wouldn't take that, because that's risky. So that's fine. This is why it's good to live stream, bro. Honestly, you just get to cover everything. Even if you just don't put it on YouTube or you just record it and watch it back yourself later on, even that's really ideal. So I'm happy I didn't take that. Fantastic, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I can't really... Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, sure. No problem. I like the stream. I appreciate that. Thank you, my guy. I don't know if I'm gonna stream FOMC this time. I streamed it last time because it was Warsh's first press conference. I really wanted to like watch that live and stuff and just make sure I was like covering it and all that sort of stuff. But I don't know if I'll do this one. Now it's the second one. I'll probably just chill and watch it backwards. That is the one thing I cannot do. Watch videos with my in it. Why not? It's just watching your performance in it. Like, did you perform good? Did you do what you said you do? Were you hesitant? Were you not hesitant? Blah blah blah. You know how you got journaling? Live streaming is literally the best type of journaling there is, because you can look at your reactions and stuff like that, and then you could be like, well, was I an idiot there? No, I was all right, reasonable. Like you can kind of navigate that yourself, if you get what I mean. That's why I think live streams are fantastic. But even if you just do like your own footage of you just recording yourself and then you just watch it back an hour later and be like, oh yeah, you know what, I did good. Or oh shit, I messed up, like whatever, Purchase history. Where's purchase history, man? Purchase history, there it is. Perfect. Yeah. Seen some really gangster Crocs and I really want him. They look really good. Nah, I have a face for radio and a voice. Old-fashioned black and white. No, but you only can be watching it yourself, innit? So even if you're like, I am from Zambezi, I am looking for the high to get swept, and then I will look for the movement to the downside. Even if you talk like that, doesn't matter, because it's only you watching it. It's just for yourself, not for everyone else. It's just for you. Bro, what do you reckon to these Crocs, man? I like these. They look bad, man. You know what? I need to... Where's my tape measure? Tape measure, where are you? Tape me. Tape me. Tape me. Forex. Here it is. So, what? $250. Okay. 1 second. 250. 1 second. Let me just make note of this. 250 millimeters. Okay. So, how do you work out the sizes? $255 millimeters is 41. Yeah, that's perfect. I'll take 41. Also, recording high time frame swing traders would be very boring. Here's the daily candle. Look, it has moved 3 pips. The stream will continue until tomorrow because you need to wait for the candle close. The next day, the candle dropped 40 pips. We have to wait 3 more days. We have to wait 3 more days. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That's funny. That is funny. Let's go back to eBay. What is it? Wow. Now we almost TP1. 3 days later, we didn't get TP1. We're back at break even. 2 weeks later, we hit TP1. Woo! 2 risk reward. The next day, actually, after looking at swaps, I didn't make 2R, I made 1.2R. Because you were ranging for so long, you had to pay swaps for so long. Because you're in a trade for 3 weeks, that you hit 2R, but after you close the profit, it's more like 1.2R. That's clutch, you know. Oh dear, oh dear. Cute or not cute? I'm not as cute. I'm not as cute a panda, so leaving it running for 24 and we'll not have. Yeah, I think it's all a bit meh. This is the best I can explain it. Hi, bro. What do you mean, hi, bro? Sorry, got to rub chase. Run. Whoa, that's disgusting, bro. I've got to rub chase. Brother, that's too much detail. Yeah, that's fine. I got you, man. No, it's fine. I'm gonna cut the stream here anyway because just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. As yeah, I'm done. Anyway, fellas, let me just drop the thingy in the chat. Right, peace out, boys. Have a good one, Matt. Take it easy. Sahad, I don't know if you're here or not. If you are, I'm dipping. Peace out, guys. I'll trade New York for sure, 100%. If I catch anything, I'll put it in Discord. If I don't see you guys tomorrow, peace out. Bye.